Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In the heart of the New Jersey hub, a clash of the under-13 titans beckoned, with NJYCA Comets hurtling through space to collide with the Dream Cricket Droner Troopers in a stellar cricketing encounter.
Amidst the buzzing anticipation, young prodigies took to the crease, ready to etch their names in the annals of this budding rivalry, where every run was to count and every wicket was to be a twist in this tale.
Like a scene from Game of Thrones, the Comets' batters rose to the occasion, forging alliances at the crease that would set a formidable total, while Droner Troopers' bowlers conjured spells to try and limit their march.
The Troopers wielded their bowling arsenal with intent, but it was the Comets who soared, turning the pitch into a battleground where their might with the bat dictated the course of this epic saga.
The Comets blazed trails with their bats, with J.M. Lalkar's 56 and Aryan Sain's explosive 43 igniting the innings, while the Troopers' Vishisht Agrawal fought back with a fierce 3-wicket haul.
Strategic onslaughts came from the willows of the Comets, as Rishan Gupta played the role of the architect, building a formidable partnership with J.M. Lalkar that would become the bedrock of their total.
As the Droner Troopers took up the gauntlet, their innings unfolded like a Greek tragedy, with wickets tumbling in quick succession, leaving them in a labyrinth with no Theseus to guide them out.
The Comets bowlers, led by the fierce Adwat Vyas, bowled with the precision of master craftsmen, sculpting a dominant performance that saw the Troopers' fortress crumble, brick by brick.
J.M. Lalkar, wielding his blade like Excalibur, stood tall as the Comets' champion, while Adwat Vyas, the wizard with the ball, spun a web the Troopers could not escape.
Vyas, with his spellbinding trio of wickets, turned sorcerer on the field, and Agrawal's 3 strikes for the Troopers will be etched in the hearts of their fans, despite the loss.
NJYCA Comets emerged victorious by a cosmic 214 runs, their batting prowess and bowling finesse proving to be the gravitational force that propelled them to a triumph of astronomical proportions.
A stupendous victory for the Comets, leaving the Troopers to ponder the celestial gap. The encounter ended not with a whimper but a bang. Like a young Virat Kohli leading the charge, J.M. Lalkar's innings could well be a harbinger of a promising future, as today's match leaves a meteoric impact on the tourney.
As the dust settles on this stellar encounter, it is the Comets who cruise the cosmos with aplomb. Their performance today not only narrates a victory but heralds the dawn of cricket's next generation.